We are here in the beaches of New York.
Of Coney
Take a
Island.
look. Isn't that right? Look this way.
What?
Nothing. Okay, anyway.
Are you actually filming us?
Yeah.
Oh, you're filming. Okay, I
Oh,
thought you were
shit,
taking
yeah.
a picture. Hi, world.
Look at that. Isn't that just beautiful? Oh my god, look. Sun and stars and these seagulls that are really like retarded right now. Hey there, little buddy. Oh, look at the little thing wobbling. Oh, there you go.
This is Steven and Anna's Coney Island Beach Adventure.
Somebody's walking towards this way. Who's that?
That's a long title, but okay.
Yeah.
Maybe you should point the camera towards yourself so you'll see what you're filming, because I'm filming blindly.
Doesn't matter.
Hi,
The way
Seagull.
I aim it.
Dude, they're so freaking close. Look how fat they are. They're like chunky seagulls. Look at that.
Look.
Look how fat they are. They're all huge. Okay, guys, this is an example of overfed seagulls.
Oh,
Do
look at
not
that.
feed the seagulls. Super fat seagulls. Look at this fat guy. Look at him. Look at them. They're like all over the place. They're not even running away.
Scumbag!
Oh, look, there's a Mr. Ship right there.
Where? Oh. We just taking pictures? You're just taking pictures?
Yeah.
It's the ship.
Are you taking a picture of me
No.
taking a picture?
No.
Are you making a video of me taking a
Yeah, pretty much. I'm gonna chase him again. Big room. Oh damn. Oh, that was beautiful.
Did you have fun chasing the seagulls?
Yeah. Big time.
I just got in a shot.
It's a nice view over there.
I know, it is. But I don't have a professional camera. I can't capture the prettiness of it all. You want to go closer to the water? We could.
Sure.
The sand's a little easier to walk on because it's more wet. And it's dirty.
It's more solid.
The girl's showing up the water.
Oh god.
We should take some pictures, not a whole video.
Here I go! Oh my lord. Huh. I don't want to get my shoes too sandy.
Yeah. No, don't do that.
Go ahead.
talking in this video. We need to like create a story.
We need to what's that word? Oh, I don't know. Lick.
Communicate.
What about those rocks over there? Are they climbable?
You can get them ones that are right here. So you can go farther out.
What are you doing?
Dude, I'm getting some seriously good shots right now.
It's
With
good.
my camera. Woo, you probably
It's-
can't see me because the sun is right, like.
That camera sucks, doesn't it? It's like the one that. Yeah.
Yeah, but see, the pictures come out okay. It's just when I look at the camera itself, it looks retarded. You know what I'm saying?
Yep. Seagulls are back. Just remember the geese release. Oh!
What?
The geese release. Oh, looky here. You're it. Oh, fuck. Why not? Oh, look. Nah, it's cool. It's like 6 minutes.
Are you gonna edit it later or something?
No, I'm probably just gonna.
What's around for like that? You're gonna strip it all over something.
I have eyes behind my head. What'd you pick up? Wait, what is that?
It's a pizza. Look how big it is.
Oh Lord. Keep it.
Seashell, guys. See that? It's all sandy.
Face toward the sun.
Huh? What?
Face toward the sun. There.
Pretty shell.
Advertisement.
I know. Buy Anna's shell. It's sexy.
It's broken.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Wait.
That was not a smart idea. Oh, come on.
Oh, there's another. Oh, there's not a broken one.
But
This one's
ooh.
better. I mean, oh, freaking. Cool. This one is cool. Is that in the camera? Don't lick it. Did you lick it?
Ew.
Did you? Ew. Why? This one's better. I like this.
Tastes like seafood.
Dogs keep them safe.
Oh, hey there, little buddy. How you doing? My name's Steven.
I should find a cute one and give it a name. Hey, don't throw it at him.
Oh, what the fuck?
You thought he gave it food. You thought he thought you gave him food.
Alright, look, now they're fighting over
they're
it.
gonna fight over the food. Look what Steven did, guys. Look at that. He's so mean.
I just threw a hard ass fucking shell at seagulls, and now looks like they're fighting over it. And apparently, how the fuck is a freaking shell edible? I have no idea.
Well, they're like rabid seagulls. They think that anything tastes good.
I'm calling all you out. Who took the shell?
Word.
Oh, I'm serious.
Think of Joey.
Joey, where are you? Expose yourself. Who took the shell?
You won't find him. He's camouflaged.
This it? Wait. Those fuckers either ate it or they tricked me. Assholes.
What is all this about?
Looks like a car ran over it.
What is this though? Like, well, why did they do this?
I have no fucking idea. Oh, excuse me. That was totally by accident.
I see.
Totally.
Or should I say, I hear.
Say what? Oh, yeah. I just got it. Let's choose some place to lay. I lay over here, you lay over there. How about that?
What the heck? I'm not laying on
I lay in between here, and you lay in between over there.
It's not even sturdy. You're gonna fall through it.
We have to keep our distance. It is sturdy. Oh wait, no, it's not.
No, it isn't.
I lied. They're back again.
Should I scare them away this time?
Yes.
Anyone to film you do it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Do it.
I feel bad for the sleeping one. I'm gonna wake him
There's
up.
a sleeping one?
The brown one.
The brown one? Where's the brown one?
Okay, it's not sleeping anymore.
Get him.
No!
I don't think the one on the left over there didn't like it very much because they went. Ah! All right, now we claimed our spot, and they're back over there. They're gonna need some authority, big time. Why is that guy over there looking at us? He's scaring the shit out of me. The guy in the white jacket, I think he's looking at us. All right, not there yet.
Guys, look, there's a cat on the beach. Do you see that's a cute little white kitty? You wanna go pet it?
If you want, I mean.
It's so cute.
I thought it was a dog.
It's a cat.
Probably like the first time I ever saw something be caught like that. Oh, that's funny.
He's fucking his cat. That's the cutest thing I've ever seen. Did you see that, guys? It's a legit cat.
It's a legit cat.
Did you see that? Did you see that? That's a cat back there.
It's very funny how it's actually keeping up pace with him now.
I know.
I never saw a cat actually do that.
It's not running away. My cat would have like zoomed away by now, chasing the seagulls or something.
Oh man.
That's a really cute cat.
Yeah, so I'm going to end this video because it was totally random. Goodbye.